Jigawa State experiences a perennial flooding, but this year, the season begins with a windstorm that causes havoc in Kafin Hausa local government area of the state. 6 people lost their lives, while 65 others were injured in the incident. This is a weekly market in Kafin Hausa local government area of Jigawa State. In this market, about 3 people have been confirmed dead as a result of windstorm, and an unspecified number of tents have also been destroyed. Officials say about 1,300 houses have also been destroyed in the local government. Ismail Galadima is one of the survivors that lost his home to the windstorm. He now walks with a stick after a wall fell on him as he saved his siblings.
Wannan iska to da yara a ciki sai ɗaya daga ciki ta ce ai ɗakin ma ya rushe kuma da yara to sai na taho nake iwon yaran mun gama ebe su na ɗau da wani a ciki na dawo to ba kowa juyo da zan yi shi gina ya zubo mu idan ne na kasa tashi nan sai ciki na janyo na taho sai suka gano ni suka zo suka ɗauke ni.
Malam Hudu and his relatives are mourning the death of their daughter, a 13-year-old who died in the windstorm.
Lokacin da na zo ya kace ta dan fita nan arewa da gida kaɗan. Kafin ta fito sai wannan iska ta turke ta. Shikenan sai ta gama ta da wani itace da yake wurin. Shikenan sai Allah ya mata rasuwa anan.
The Executive Secretary of the Jigawa State Emergency Management Agency gives details of the incident.
It was very unfortunate because the wind started from Guri, coming to Kapin Hausa, Miga, Jahun, and as I tell you, most of the villages along the riverine areas were affected. And the worst is in Kafin Hausa town, including its surroundings. In Kafin Hausa alone, we lost about 6 people and over 1,000 houses were completely destroyed.
For now, the residents are trying to salvage what is left of their belongings. However, the pain of losing their loved one is difficult to reckon with. Sadiq Ilyasu, Channels Television News.